Welcome to Cooking with Gringo. It's Budget Meal Friday. Because cooking good food shouldn't mean going broke. Today we're going to make chicken fajita rice casserole. To this bowl we're going to add in 1 onion that we sliced, 1 green bell pepper we sliced, 2 cups of chicken. It's already been cooked. 2 cups of pre-cooked rice. We're going to season the taste with taco seasoning. And then we're going to add in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Fast, simple, easy one. You don't have to cook the chicken beforehand. You can always use leftover chicken or get your rotisserie chicken. The rotisserie chicken's what, like $5 at the store? These 2 chicken breasts cost me about that. So you get your pre-cooked, get you a rotisserie chicken, you ain't got to worry about cooking it. You save yourself some time. Then you get more chicken for the price. Now we're going to throw this in a 9x13 pan. Boy, that's a lot of stuff in there. You can go with a little less onion. Now we're going to bake this in a preheated oven, 375 degrees, for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Pretty good. Could use more seasoning. Cost us about $11 to $12 on the high end if you had to buy everything, and it feeds 4 to 6 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.